windy today, but I think I can fly her. She likes dead, calm wind, and it's about probably 5 mile an hour maybe, and a couple 10 mile an hour gusts. So we'll slow her down a little bit. Fly maybe half throttle. This is flying really nice, even despite the wind. I'll get in the frame here, Cam. We'll see if we can do some tricks over there. That's the speed. That's nice. Stall. Look at that. That is so cool. There's a little 12-inch model that I really designed for indoor flying, but it flies really well outside, surprisingly. And today we got a good 5 mile an hour steady breeze and some gusts. I find if I slow it down a little bit, it's a little more controllable. The wind flies absolutely beautiful on a calm day. Comes with an easy to build kit, you guys. You can put together in about 2 or 3 hours tops without painting it. Obviously, it takes a little bit if you want to throw some coats of acrylic paint on like I did this one. And you can build in one day, fly the next easily. And this kit is only $24.99, and it comes with everything but electrics, of course. And we do supply a small front landing gear, very lightweight. Really can use it on pavement only. I have a farm, so unfortunately I don't have any landing strips, so I belly land them. And we'll do that at the end. Look at that. Look how nice, flies upside down very well. Don't want to fly into the sun. I lost you there for a second, didn't I, Bill? All right, let's bring her in. I'm flying on a 400 milliamp 7.4, real tiny pack, and I get about 15 minutes on it. .53 prop. I think it's a 1306 I have in this color, I think.